What's up guys, thank you for tuning in to another video. My name is Viet, otherwise known as F8x Ho. I invite you to subscribe if you're new to the channel and drop a like on this video. Today we have an exciting ass video. Today is moving day. As you guys have known for the last couple months and last couple videos, we have been buying a house, as I've been saying in every video, and we finally closed on the house on Friday. It's been an up and down roller coaster to say the least. Last week was hell. I mean, it came to the underwriting process. It was just, everything was delayed. They kept asking for stuff last minute. They waited till the last minute to ask us for certain things or get clarification for certain things. So we were literally down to the wire before we got our keys. But I was literally up until 1 a.m. the day of closing, talking to my loan officer, trying to get everything settled away. And it wasn't until 11 a.m. on closing day where we finally got the clear to close. So luckily we got our keys and got that situated. We were so relieved, super stoked. Got a cop right here. As a couple of you guys already have seen on Instagram, the house is sick. I mean, the garage setup is sick. It's a dream come true. We got the backyard for the dogs. I mean, this is the perfect starter home that my girlfriend and I could ever ask for. So today's Monday. I took half a day off of work today. We're gonna keep unboxing some stuff. We had our families come over the weekend, help us move. My girlfriend and I still have a lot of stuff to do. The stress is still there. We have a lot of home improvements and DIYs that need to get done today and this week. I'll update you guys a little more when we get there, and I'll give you guys a little sneak peek. Mostly the garage and like what I have planned for it and my visions. But today's project is getting the utilities, internet, and water turned on. So essential thing that we need to do today, obviously. And then I'll tell you guys a little more about what other stuff we're getting done. But I'm super excited. You already know the M3 F80 car content is going to be coming back better than ever. But you guys already know I'm stoked. Like, this is crazy. From buying your dream car a year ago at the age of 24 to, again, buying your first home at the age of 25 only a year later. I mean, words can't describe how humble I feel and how blessed I feel. Can't wait to pimp out the garage, show you guys what I bought already, show you guys what I'm gonna buy. So stay tuned, we're almost there. It's about 15 minutes away from our other apartment, so I'll catch up with you guys then. Thank you for tuning in. This is it. Welcome to the new crib. Give you guys a little sneak peek. It's a dream come true. I'm filming on my iPhone right now, so sorry for any bad audio quality, but welcome to my garage. Got the F80 looking clean. I got my home office right there, and eventually we're gonna have a home gym setup, which I'll tell you about a little later. I'm super stoked right now. I was supposed to film setting up this home office and cleaning up some stuff and organizing, but I got a little sidetracked, so I'll insert some clips right here of the before, during, and after. Check it out. Look at these floors. It's a dream come true. I'm super ecstatic, like I was mentioning before in the car. Stay tuned. I'm getting some home gym equipment pretty soon, so I'll catch up with you guys then. What's going on, guys? Coming back at you from my garage setup. It's a little echoey in here, so I apologize for that. I was going to record like setting up this garage setup. I got a little sidetracked and I was pretty busy. I was on a time crunch, so I didn't pick up the GoPro to record that. I think it came out amazing. Let me give you guys a little tour real quick. What's going on? Let me switch over to my iPhone because the lighting on the GoPro is trash. All right, we're switching over to my iPhone now. As you can see here, I got my work desk. This is my POV of my work setup every day. I also have my TV over here, my Xbox. We got a fan and a big ass 12-inch subwoofer, and I got some speakers here. So when I'm working or soon to be working out, I can blast some music. It sounds so good in here, it's crazy. So yeah, I originally wanted a garage setup like this. Here's my dog Aston. My dog Kona's in here as well. So my original vision and plan for this garage was to have a home office, and over here we're gonna have a home gym. I'm getting some stuff for that today. I'll give you guys an update later. And then I wanted to obviously park my car in here as well, which it is right there, sitting nice. Looking clean under these lights. I mean, these 4 lights alone just make the whole place look sick. I already have LED lights, LED bars that I'll probably put up here or on the walls on the way from Amazon, but let me give you guys a little tour. Here's my other dog, Kona. Again, sorry for the echo in here, but they like hanging out with me in here. It's sick. So we got some car stuff in these boxes. I'm gonna get more storage maybe along this wall for now. And then here's my desk setup. We got 3 monitors, a chair, and the TV, like I said before, and the Xbox. I got some neon underglow underneath. Definitely a chill setup with the option to turn the lights off and for it to pop a little more. If you guys saw my story on Monday, you'll know that I tried parking. You'll know that I tried parking my car like on this side, and my exhaust tips were literally like an inch away from the bar right here, which means I probably would have burnt my shins on the tips because it was that close. I'll insert a picture now of the front and the rear of how close it was. It was giving me anxiety for sure. I had the parking sensor going crazy, basically telling me, why the heck are you getting so close to this damn desk? But yeah, we moved it around per people's suggestion and per my own comfortability. And the M3 is sitting so pretty now. Got Kona, Aston. I mean, it's crazy because this garage doesn't have AC yet. We live in Florida, but it doesn't get hot. So yesterday was my first full day working from home at the new house in the new garage, and I didn't get hot one time. And we live in Florida, and it was like 80 degrees yesterday. How's that possible? It's because the sun actually comes up on the back side of the house, and it doesn't get hot on the front side until maybe like 3 p.m. So it got a little warm at 3 p.m., but it wasn't anything unbearable. And as I mentioned before, I have a little mini fan right here, which saves me. And then eventually I have a couple HVAC people coming out this week to give me a quote on how much it'll cost to install a mini split system. So that's like an AC unit mounted on the wall right there. And that will allow us to have AC in here while we work, and especially in the summer times. So that's definitely a must in Florida. My original plan was to have like a portable AC unit, but I've heard that they don't do the greatest job. But since it's so cool in here, I might consider that still. But I have HVAC people coming out to give me a quote on the mini split system, see if that's possible. Look at these two. All right, so I'm gonna open up the garage, allow more light in, and I'll probably switch back to the GoPro and put my dogs inside. But yeah, this is the setup, boys. This is the dream garage come true. And also the best part, look at these epoxy floors. Whew. Yo, I really lucked out with these floors. I mean, they're beautiful. That's what makes the garage, honestly, these epoxy floors, and you know, how nice and updated and modern and clean it looks. All right, so let me put these dogs inside and I'll give you guys more of a tour with the garage doors up. I'm switching over to the GoPro like I just said. Let me show you guys the garage with the doors open and more natural light inside. Whew. Brightens everything up. And like I just mentioned, I was going to record cleaning out my all these boxes in here, organizing everything, and then setting up my desk and my office setup. But I got sidetracked and I had to put a bunch of stuff together, you know, plug in wires and hide stuff. So I didn't pick up the camera earlier to record. But look at this setup, and I can't believe this is my garage. It's actually a dream come true. So MTV Cribs, welcome to our crib. This is the setup. Got the F8 all parked pretty clean right now. And then the goal for the garage is obviously to have the F8 here, have my home office, and then the other thing we had in mind was to get like a treadmill here. I'm gonna go get horse stall mats later. I already ordered a bench off of Amazon, a workout bench. So turn this section into a home gym. We got yoga mats, I already told you. We got some weights and stuff. But I'm going today to go pick up an adjustable dumbbell set. I got an adjustable bench on the way. And then eventually we'll get like a little cage. And then obviously I'm going to be looking for a treadmill soon. So we'll have the whole home gym setup. I'm going to build on that setup, that original setup over time. But I think just having those, just having the necessities will work for now. So I'll give you guys a little update on that a little later when I pick up the mats and the adjustable dumbbells. But other than that, I got the M flag. You already know I had to order an M flag for behind my desk. I also ordered those LED light strips to go around my garage. Not sure if I'm gonna have them going on the wall this way or up here so they light up the room more when the garage doors are open. So I'll let you guys know on that. My F8 is freaking packed with empty boxes right now. I'm gonna go to my old apartment soon and drop off these boxes in the dumpster. It's a home ownership. I literally can't believe it. It's a dream come true. I'm super humble, super blessed to be able to even say this and record this. But welcome to, I guess, F8 Ho's Garage 2.0. Total game changer from apartment garage setup. I still gotta clean out my apartment garage of some car stuff. I'm mostly throwing most of it out, but I still gotta bring my floor jack and stuff like that. Yo, who said you can't be practical and own an M car at the same time? So I just emptied out the moving boxes from my car at the dumpster at our apartment complex, and then I loaded up some other miscellaneous stuff we had at the apartment still. So I got a full car. I actually just went to buy the adjustable dumbbells that I talked about earlier. They go from 5 pounds to 52 pounds, so it's super convenient and they don't take up a lot of room. And that's exactly what I'm looking for our garage gym. I don't want a lot of dumbbells. I don't want a big rack taking up a lot of room. I want everything to be clean and organized, so an adjustable dumbbell set is perfect for what we're going for. I'm actually going to Tractor Supply now to get a 4x6 horse stall mat. It's like 3/8 of an inch of thick rubber that you put down on your garage floors to protect them from any damage. And especially with these epoxy floors, I want to keep that protected as long as I can. I also want to put my adjustable bench on these pads, so, you know, again, no damage to the floors. And then when I'm putting the dumbbells down. So right now I'm on the way to Tractor Supply. I'm 4x6 of the horse stall mat, and I will catch up with you guys when I get home. I have a lot of stuff to unload, but I'll catch up with you guys when I start unloading the garage gym stuff. Just want to stop in and give you guys a quick update. We have the horse stall mat. It was bigger than I had ever anticipated, and it also weighs 100 pounds. So thank you to the guy at Tractor Supply for helping me out. And for all you purists out there, I have a seat cover on the whole backside, so don't freak out on me when you see all this stuff and you think it's on my leather, but it's not. So, but anyways, we'll catch up with you guys when we get back home. All right, so we just got home, got my helper, just unloaded the horse stall mat and all the stuff inside the car, and then check these out, adjustable dumbbells. So they go from 5 pounds to 52, and then you just crank the other side to match, and you have an adjustable dumbbell. I opted for these because, again, they take up way less space than having like a pair of each from 5, let's say, to 50. That's like too many dumbbells. Can't do the math right now, but that's too many dumbbells. And these only take up this much space. So, and then this horse stall mat is huge. Like, it's 4x6, but it just looks bigger. Yep, it fit in the M3. That's all you gotta know. So yeah, I'm gonna move this on this wall probably somewhere. And then when the bench comes in tomorrow, that's gonna go on there. And then eventually when we get a treadmill, I'll probably get another one of these and put it side by side. So we'll have a nice gym setup. Can't wait for the bench to come in so we can finally work out, blast some music, and just start the home gym life. Eventually we'll get another mat for the treadmill and the cage, but for now this will do. So again, I'm gonna move this over here and I'll catch up with you guys after that. All right, we just got done with moving the mats. And check it out, it looks so clean where that's at. I gotta move those boxes to the dumpster. Boxes drive me nuts with this whole moving process. But check it out, we got the yoga mat, we got the foam roller, we got some dumbbells, adjustable dumbbells. And then tomorrow is Wednesday, the adjustable bench should arrive. And then I have a mirror upstairs I'll put there, and I'll eventually get a bigger mirror. And then we'll be set to start working out. Again, thank you for all the congrats on Instagram. I really appreciate it. It's a dream come true again. But I want to thank you guys for tuning in. The car content will continue, I promise. Just got to get this house stuff squared away. Again, rear tires are coming. Equal length mid-pipe will be ordered soon. But for now, we're going to focus on some home improvements. I'm going to record it as much as I can. When the adjustable bench comes in tomorrow, I'm going to show you guys my workout setup. Maybe put a mirror there as well. But I want to thank you guys for watching. That's going to wrap up today's video, the first house/garage intro and update. Stay tuned for more videos to come, and make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Peace.